Hoy. Hi. Kumusta ka na? Hain kaya na, Doy. Hain kaya na, Doy. Let's go. I ain't going anywhere. If I'm gonna go right now, I will gonna be spending again. Una, naram na ako. Nakita ko ni mong ngaran. Kalala ka para dun ka ng kuan, hatag-hatag ko nahan, bukad. Well, pala ito sa una, no? Oh, ni. Tapos nagkukuan kita, Bible study naman. Tapos nangagadto kita yung balay. Tapos nangato ka mo balay. Mga pala, mga childhood memories. Tapos, uncle ko ngayon ikaw. Mga pala ito. Tapos nakilig-kilig naman ako. Tapos, uncle dad. No, you drive. Malip mo pala ito nga mga memories. Mga bata pa kita. Pero, maupay. Tapos nanguha pa kitang bayabas. Bayabas. Okay. I really have a good child memories. Oh, it was so amazing. I want to drive to. Hi, Clip. My childhood is not boring. It was amazing. Although there's ups and downs, but my childhood is very good. I was able to do everything I want during my childhood days. I experienced stealing some fruits only. Stealing mango, some santol. It was amazing. We did steal santol. You know, santol is a fruit. And then I have a friend. It's okay. And then he's climbing, yet the owner, the one that taking care, he's really scary. He have a big knife. And we're running away. And I didn't climb because I don't know how to climb. And the friend, he was, help! And then we are running away. He ended up crying so loudly. He was so afraid with the person that taking care of the fruit. It was amazing. And then we go to the spring. They have some sinkamas. You know, sinkamas, it's like a fruit. We got it. We got some periwinkle, snails. It was so good. It was amazing. And then we able to get also some big mushroom, like a plate mushroom that is big like that. It was so good. Ginagastos tayo. Hindi yan masasayang kasi di mo siya someone commenting that I'm not studying well because I do live all the time. I do study well. Now my subject is 3: English, PE, which we don't normally do anything as of the moment. We haven't met the instructor. So basically, let's say I have 2 subjects.